Hello guys, so today I'm gonna show you how to block someone in Xbox social account. So first of all, you need to open your Xbox account, then you need to click on the social icon. If someone added in your friends, you can block from here. If it's not added, go to search icon and search here for your friend on the search tab. Then click on your friend's name or person name. Then you can click on the three dot. You can block from here. So this is how you can block someone in Xbox social account. So block means if someone inviting you or sending you messages, you can block in Xbox. So I hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.